A palm tree made from pineapples surrounded by luscious fruits makes a stunning display that your guests will remember. Cut up the fruit the evening before and store it in plastic bags. Then arrange the fruit right before your guest arrives so it stays cold. Assembling the palm tree takes about 20 to 30 minutes and can be done where you plan to serve the fruit. Before we begin, you will need 3 pineapples, a 2.5-foot by 1-inch diameter wooden dowel, a 5-inch by 5-inch by 3-inch wooden block with a 1-inch hole drilled into the center of the 5-inch by 5-inch portion of the block, and some faux palm tree leaves for the top of the tree. Also, before we begin, make sure that the wooden dowel has one end sharpened. Assemble the base by pushing the unsharpened end of the dowel into the hole in the center of the 5 by 5 by 3-inch base block. At this point, you will need to have your 3 pineapples ready for the next step. Cut off the top of one of the pineapples, preferably one with the most level bottom. This will be the base of the tree. Next, cut off the top and bottom of another pineapple as straight as possible and discard these pieces. The last pineapple is the top of the tree, so you will need to cut the bottom off of it as evenly as possible. Before assembling the tree, you will want to make sure that all the pineapples match up evenly, so when you put the tree together there are no breaks in the trunk. If there are any uneven areas of the pineapple when placed together, then repeat step 2 until all 3 pineapples align evenly together. You may want to mark the center of your pineapples with a knife by cutting out a small portion of the center of the pineapple. This will make it easier for you to push the pineapples through the wooden dowel. To assemble your pineapple tree, start with the base and center the pineapple over the skewer and then push the pineapple down to the wooden base. Repeat this step with the middle of the tree and the top of the tree. Push the artificial palm leaves into the crown of the top pineapple to resemble the top of a palm tree. Cover the wooden base with kale leaves or a small beige cloth to mimic sand. You can be creative here. There are a number of clever ways to hide your wooden base. Your pineapple palm tree is complete. You can make a border of small fruits such as lemons, limes, and tangerines around the edges of the wooden base. The border of fruits keeps the other fruits from rolling off the tray. Arrange the fruit around the pineapple palm tree. Place a few larger whole pieces of fruit against the base of the palm tree to help stabilize.